wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best blister treatments. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Safe to use daily, 2 Toms Advanced is an easy to apply powder that repels moisture and keeps you dry for lengthy periods of time. It reduces heat buildup and creates a friction-free surface and can be applied to hands, feet and even the lower back or between the thighs. It rinses off with soap and water and works well in gloves too. However, it can be somewhat messy. At number 9, the Adventure Medical Kit has everything you need to treat agonizing lesions and burns, making it an ideal addition to any camping trip. It contains 6 alcohol wipes to clean affected areas and a handful of sterile glacier gel adhesive dressings which cool on contact. It includes foot care instructions and it's all breathable and waterproof, but you get only 2 sizes of bandage. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Stretchy and breathable, these Spenco sports knit patches will cling to your skin, preventing unwanted rubbing and protecting vulnerable areas from further injury. Their slim yet durable design won't take up extra space in your shoe, so you'll barely know they're on. These use medical-grade adhesive and are great for distance running. However, the cushioning tends to go flat. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for blister treatments, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, made in the USA and infused with vitamins A and C, Body Glide Balm creates a non-greasy barrier that protects hot spots from chafing. This all-natural, plant-derived formula is perfect for toes, ankles and heels, plus it glides on effortlessly and won't damage your shoes. It helps minimize inflammation and is both allergen-free and vegan, but it doesn't last as long as other picks. Moving up our list to number 6. Created specifically for use on toes, the Compeed AW17 plasters are small and discreet, offering instant pain relief and safeguarding your digits from harm. They can stay in place for several days and speed up the healing process via their hydrocolloid technology. These will fit in hard-to-reach places and support your natural moisture balance. However, it's a bit pricey for what you get. Halfway up our list at number 5. If your fully formed blister has already popped, you know that a powerful antibiotic ointment is essential for keeping it clean and helping it heal faster. These medique triple are ideal for stuffing in backpacks or first aid kits and will stave off infection. You get 25 sealed travel packets and a little goes a long way, but there's not enough for multiple wounds. At number 4, Dr. Scholl's moleskin promises to provide all-day relief with its thin design that contours to your feet and protects tender spots. It's made from self-sticking soft cotton flannel and can be trimmed to any size, so it's customizable no matter what area is effective. It's wonderful for bunions and is an excellent budget option. However, the edges tend to peel up with sweat. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Engo oval patches allow you to don any footwear you desire, from work boots and kitten heels to ballet flats and soccer cleats. They attach simply to the inside of your shoe rather than your skin, reducing friction and providing immediate relief to existing lesions. They work with orthotic braces too and last for up to 300 miles. They're simple to install. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for blister treatments, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the ultra-strong BSN Medical Leukotape is backed with rayon and outfitted with a heavy-duty zinc oxide adhesive, an exceptional prevention method. It has a high tensile strength and binds firmly to hands and feet, staying in place through miles of rugged terrain if needed. It's tearable by hand and withstands perspiration and other moisture. It can be peeled off easily. And coming in at number 1 on our list, an excellent choice for avid runners and athletes, Spenco Protection is a pack of 200 soothing medical-grade hydrogel squares that adhere to the skin, preventing friction and chafing. If you've already developed an injury, these will ease your discomfort. A circle version is also available and they're good for treating burns. They offer a painless removal. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for blister treatments, or simply click beneath this video.